Do your Achilles feel tight? Maybe you've tried foam rolling to release it, or even taped it up to see if that helps, or gone to get a massage. Well, the Achilles complex is the tendon that connects the heel bone to the soleus muscle and the gastroc muscle in the back of the leg. So you've probably seen these traditional stretches that are meant to lengthen the gastroc muscle and take some pressure off the Achilles tendon. But what if your tightness is not coming from tightness in the muscle? It could be what we call referred symptoms. So this is your dermatomes. This is what nerve might be innervating the specific area. Sometimes if your nerves get a bit tight, like anything else in your body, it can give you symptoms of tightness or cramping, pins and needles, or numbness. So this is a good stretch to help to relieve some of that tightness in the back of the leg if it is related to nerve. And this last stretch that I like to give people is to help loosen up the ankle joint itself, because sometimes when you get tightness through your ankle joint, you could get different kind of symptoms like tightness in the Achilles. So give these a go and let me know how you go. Take care.